8 foods that naturally cleanse your liver. Did you know that the liver is in charge of approximately 500 bodily functions? The liver performs a variety of important functions to keep you alive and healthy. There are a number of superfoods that can aid in the liver's detoxification process. To function properly, the liver requires a large amount of micronutrients. Many of these micronutrients can be found in common foods. You can naturally cleanse and protect this hard-working organ by including a variety of superfoods in your diet. Listed here are the 8 best superfoods for detoxing and cleansing your liver. 1. Tea. Tea is widely thought to be beneficial to health, but research suggests that it may also be beneficial to the liver. Drinking 5 to 10 cups of green tea per day was linked to improved blood markers of liver health. 2. Cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, and kale are just a few examples. These veggies are high in glutathione, which activates the liver's toxin-clearing enzymes. 3. Turmeric. Turmeric has been used medicinally in India for ages in addition to its use as a spice and pigment. This spice aids in the removal of toxins and includes antioxidants that aid in the healing of liver cells. 4. Citrus. Along with their high vitamin C content, citrus fruits activate the liver and help convert harmful compounds into substances that can be absorbed by water. Grapefruit is especially beneficial due to the presence of 2 primary antioxidants, naringin and naringenin. By lowering inflammation and protecting liver cells, they may help protect the liver from harm. 5. Beetroot. Beets are also high in vitamin C and fiber, both of which are natural digestive cleaners. Beets also aid to increase oxygen levels by purifying the blood, and they can break down toxic wastes to help them be expelled more quickly. 6. Garlic. Garlic is high in sulfur, which activates liver enzymes that aid in the removal of toxins. Garlic also has a lot of selenium. Selenium is an important vitamin that has been demonstrated to help our liver's natural antioxidant enzyme levels. 7. Walnuts. Walnuts are high in glutathione, omega-3 fatty acids, and the amino acid arginine, all of which help proper liver cleansing functions, particularly when it comes to ammonia detoxification. 8. Olive oil. Cold-pressed organic oils such as olive, hemp, and flaxseed provide excellent liver support by providing the body with a liquid base that can suck up harmful toxins. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to see more videos like this one.